To do calibration for 4K camera, move the mouse to the bottom, click AF, click conjecture calibration to bring the camera to the default position. If it's not in focus, adjust the focus manually. Then move the mouse to the top, select the calibration icon. You will see a line. You want to position this according to your scale. So in this case, we have a 20 to 25, that will be 5 millimeter. So I'm going to enter the magnification, double click to bring out the on-screen keyboard, backspace. I'm at the zoom lens setting of 2, so I'm going to use this 2, and the actual lens is 5 millimeter. I'm going to enter 5, select the units, mm, and click OK. I already done my calibration, and you will see this is my calibration number 2, or D10 position number 2. When I'm ready to do measurement, I can simply click any of this measurement function and ready to do the measurement. So in this case, I got 5.01 millimeter, quite accurate. This is how you do calibration and verify your calibration with actual measurement.